Today I'm going to show you how to make easy air fryer barbecue chicken thighs. If you follow along for this, I'm going to help you cut your calories and time off your next meal prep. Make sure you like and subscribe for future content. All right, to get started, you're going to preheat your COSORI TurboBlaze. Make sure you have your crisper plate loaded already. From here, select the preheat function and bring the temperature to 385. While that's going, you're going to work on your seasonings. You have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, and onion powder. Into your bowl, you're just gonna give this a good mix. Cool part about these seasonings is it's literally almost 0 calories. So we have maximum flavor, but no calories yet, and we're just gonna bring that flavor to our chicken thighs. Don't hold back, we're just bringing out a ton of flavor into the chicken thighs. And then we're gonna give this a flip, and we're gonna season the backsides as well. My favorite part about this recipe is you probably already have all these seasonings, and in future recipes, we might be using them again for different combinations. All right, one last step before we get into the air fryer, coat it with oil. I'm using a 0-calorie one right here, and this works great because the air fryer is gonna do most of the work, and this is gonna help that chicken brown better in the air fryer. Preheating process done. So from here, into the crisper plate, we're gonna bring our chicken thighs in. Make sure you go skin side up. So this way, when you actually use the air fryer, the skin's gonna actually protect the chicken from drying out. One thing to note, don't try to overcrowd this because if you throw a lot in, it's not gonna cook evenly. We're gonna give it a good space right there. Nice, that looks solid. All right, with our chicken thighs in place, we're gonna run this in the air fryer for 16 minutes, but at the 12-minute mark, we're gonna take it out and brush our barbecue sauce on. Back into our air fryer, air fry setting, and 385 for 16 minutes. I'll see you in 12 minutes. All right, so we got 4 minutes left on the clock. Do you hear that? From here, barbecue sauce. There's a whole huge variety of barbecue sauce. You can go sweeter, you can go spicier, and if you're like on a diet and you're being really carb conscious, you can go low carb. So from here, we're gonna take our barbecue sauce and just paint it on.
Nice easy brush stroke on the happy little chicken thighs.
Reason why we're doing this midway through and not right at the beginning is because if we left the barbecue sauce on the chicken right at the start, this would have just burned completely through, and our chicken's not gonna be that good. So right at the finishing touches, painting our chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs.
Make sure our chicken thighs are just wrapped with flavor. Oh, that's already smelling really good. Okay. Back into the air fryer. Since we already set the timer appropriately, we don't have to do anything else. I'll see you in 4 minutes. Oh, come on now, look at that. All right, so at this point, if you wanna add more barbecue sauce for more flavor, go ahead and make sure you have a new brush and a new set of barbecue sauce. We don't wanna contaminate the chicken. Now, from here, just gonna go ahead and lather that on. Look at our chicken thighs, the skin, perfect. You got that nice browning, nothing is burnt. Can't wait to cut into this. All right, we've got everything plated. It is done. Let's try our hard work. It's actually really easy. Oh my gosh, that's so juicy. Oh wow. Sweet, juicy, tangy, wow. If you like your chicken moist, you have to try this recipe at home. Also, do you guys like the word moist? Let us know in the comments below. And for future recipes or any other recipes that you guys want to see, let us know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Peace.